What's up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Traveling Eddie. We are here in Sabaneta, and I just want to start from here and see how much of a good view we can get of Poblado, but not that much of a good focus. We're here at the Sabaneta metro station, and there goes the metro and a lot of people here on a Wednesday. So what's up, what's up, what's up? Let's go, Sabaneta style. Let's see what it is on a Wednesday night here. Beautiful women, beautiful weather. Hi, how are you? Good? Excellent. She's happy. People are very happy in general. So let's see. This is the metro station, Sabaneta metro station. Itagüí is across the river. Las Estrellas further over after Itagüí. And everything else to the south. And look who's with us. It's Johnny Hollywood. How you feeling?
Beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful.
We got the sweet donuts right over here.
Sweet donuts, now you're trying to kill me, man. No more sweet tooth for me, bro. I'm laying off the sugar. The only sugar I want is a woman pouring some sugar on me, but I'm talking about love.
Sounds good to me.
Excellent. Where are we, man? Where are we?
We're in
Sabaneta.
Sabaneta.
We're going to check it out right next to Envigado, right?
Sabaneta, Colombia.
Sabaneta, Colombia, así es.
Sabaneta, Colombia,
Qué bien. Thank you. Everybody's happy. I just got something similar up here on the video. So let's go, let's go. You just see people, a lot of people walking towards the metro station right now. People getting out of work. No, yeah, we love everybody as well. I wasn't kicking your thing around, man. You got it in the way. What can I do? So this is Las Vegas Avenue here, guys. Up from the metro station, Sabaneta. You can just take the metro all the way to the Sabaneta metro station and kind of walk up this way where everybody's walking on the bike path and everything. And this is December, that's why you see it like this, in case you're watching this at some different time of the year. And we're gonna go across the street here and keep going towards the park. Now remember, if you're liking what we're doing, hit us up. How do you hit us up?
Hit us up.
By giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Hit us up. So ladies and gentlemen, we're walking towards the park now. The park is right over there. And I don't know if they have the Christmas lights on, all of them, because I don't see all of them illuminated. So let's see what happens. So you got, during December, you got all these little food stands here coming in the park. Arepas de queso, whatever, little things to buy. You got that over there, which is, I have no idea, but it's something. Anyway, let's keep going. Guys, this place is La Tienda Tocayo. La Tienda de Tocayo. This thing has been here since 1928. And if you ever want to experience something in Sabaneta with all the cool stuff and the cool music native to Colombia, this is the place. Oh, look, they just lit it up. It was off just a minute ago, right? I told you. I thought it was at 7 p.m. Look, it says, Yo amo Sabaneta, I love Sabaneta. Wow. And look at this little thing for the little kids, the little chiva thing for the kids. La abuela, grandma, the grandma. Wow. I mean, this is early and this is a Wednesday night. And they got the music playing over there. Sus besos son. Look at this. This is like a Christmas wonderland. Yeah, right? It's awesome. So, people, everything with their doggies, with their families. Wow. And all the more food stands over there. And everything. Nice. So let's keep showing people. So, I mean, what are your first impressions of this, Johnny Hollywood, of this park right here with all the Christmas lights and everything that we just saw turned on?
Big Christmas tree.
Say what?
Like we're under a big Christmas tree.
Wow, nice, excellent.
All the lights and all the different attractions.
Different attractions?
Yeah.
Wow, so you're liking it, huh?
Jingle bells.
The jingle bells? And the people, what do you think about the people so far?
Nice.
Friendly or not friendly?
Very
Or
friendly, yeah.
yeah, like the girl that said was up to us a moment ago at the station,
Which
right?
one?
The one that was saying, Sabaneta es muy bueno.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Wow, and look at that beautiful dog right there. The golden lab, golden retriever. We're going towards the church right now. They just turned on the lights like 3 minutes ago, guys. This is awesome. Please, if you like this video, share it on your social media networks with your friends that like Colombia or want to visit these places in South America that are awesome, epic, even better than many places around the world because people are so warm and all of that. And leave comments and questions. What do you think? We're going here towards the church, inside the church. Hi. So we're going to see the church, how it looks. Look at the church. Nice. I don't know what the name of this church. Oh, Santa Ana. The name of this church is Santa Ana. And el Santuario de María Auxiliadora is the María Auxiliadora Sanctuary. Check it out. If you want to go in, just put on your thing, your face mask, and that's it, your mask.
Dios te salve María, llena eres de gracia, el Señor es contigo. Bendita tú eres entre todas las mujeres, bendito es el fruto de tu vientre Jesús. Santa María, Madre de Dios, ruega por nosotros pecadores, ahora y en la hora de nuestra muerte.
Wow. This is an old school Sitio Viejo, it's called. If you ever want to have the local experience and eat, drink something, whatever, that's the place to come to right here in the park. Mickey! It's Mickey in Sabaneta! It's also Minnie. I'm looking for a Minnie in my life that fits my profile and I fit hers. So guys, we're walking along this place. This is all pedestrian. And look at this, another old school fonda, tienda bar. If you want to have the experience, just hang out and chill and do your thing, this is the place. It's a different vibe. So yeah, look at all of this. You want to buy some things, some sweets, some souvenirs to take back home, back to wherever you come from. If it ain't Colombia, or if it is Colombia but somewhere else, but you've never been here, this is all good. Thanks, appreciate it. Last year, he was the same one I came to. He had some salsas and bread when I did another video here in Sabaneta. But that day, they decided not to turn on the lights because of all of this that's going on, you know, in the world. And I just love the beauties that are walking by. I mean, I love admiring all the gals I see, just admiration. Last year, I didn't get to see the lights back in 2020. And I was here for the Christmas lights. But I didn't get to see them because that night they decided not to turn them on. It was a decree. Yeah, it's all like nice, beautiful umbrella stuff. Now I gotta be clear because I'm not being clear. Guys, whoever's watching this in terms of dudes, men, don't think you could come to Colombia and that women are easy and you can demean them and all of that and just use them as sex objects. Hell no. Women here are very conservative still, very traditional. And they're not just gonna go out with you like that. You really want a down wholesome girl, somebody wholesome, like beautiful and spiritual and stuff, don't expect to be getting them at bars or nightclubs. It's 9 times out of 10 that you ain't gonna find one. So I'm going to finish the story that I was telling you. Just the music was playing loud back there for a moment. I just didn't want to get hit. Hit me up, yes, but I don't want to get slapped with a YouTube copyright jam. So I'm a defender of women in the sense that you don't go around jerking women around and just come here to Colombia or any country thinking that you can just use them and abuse them and then drop them like a bad habit. Hell no. If you find a woman that's down with that she and you want to fling, okay, but don't think you're coming to Colombia to do crazy stuff like that, or any country, or Argentina, or Venezuela, or Mexico, or whatever, or Peru, man. No, guys, man up. Be responsible and be straightforward in terms of what you want. Don't mislead women. That's all I got to say. End the story. So one thing I was just talking about to John here is that you see very few foreigners here. Foreigners usually stick to El Poblado, Medellín, and Provenza. But here, this is a different vibe. If you want the laid-back vibe and not so much of that craziness, like in El Poblado, Jerez Park, and Provenza, this is a place. This is kind of like La 70 in Medellín, which is more for the locals and with the local music, the Colombian music, vallenatos, merengue. I mean, there's Colombian merengue too. Merengue is from other countries like Dominican Republic, whatever. Colombian salsa like Grupo Nietzsche, Orquesta Guayacán, Joey Arroyo, and then you got vallenatos like Carlos Vives, like de los Binomio de Oro, Rafael Orozco, old school, and Silvestre Dangond, newer. Maybe I pronounced the name wrong, so big deal, etc., etc. And this is the local experience.
Etc. Read all about it.
Yeah. And we got the local supermarket here, which is where you can buy stuff at a cheaper price. Right across the street, and you can see the prices there on the wall of whatever they're selling. And then we got El Éxito across the street from the Aves Maria Mall and the Smart Fit Gym on the top. But the mall in itself is dead. Basically what moves is the supermarket, Éxito, the hypermarket, and the Smart Fit thing up there. What? Yeah. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the last part of the video here. So, Johnny Hollywood and myself, the Irish, look at the Irish here, the Irishman, top of the morning to you.
Good morning to you.
Even though it ain't morning.
Broadway.
So we're gonna let you go. Remember to hit us up, hit me up, Traveling Eddie. And how do you do that? Give us likes on the video down below. And subscribe and share. All the way from Sabaneta. You gotta come.
Colombia.
I mean, are you liking it?
I love it. I'm loving it.
Right. How long have you been here now?
5 days.
5 days. And tomorrow, where are we going tomorrow?
Going to the Rock.
The Rock. And it's not Dwayne Johnson. It's El Peñol Rock and Guatapé. All right. Stay safe, stay blessed, and happy-go-lucky.
Oh, man.
Nice.